Hello everyone, welcome to the quick WordPress websites. If you are planning to build an online store using WordPress and WooCommerce, choosing the right theme is one of the most important decisions you will make. A good WooCommerce theme will improve your website speed, user experience, product display, and even your sales. But the problem is many themes are expensive. The good news is there are some amazing free WooCommerce themes that are powerful enough to build professional online stores. In this video, I am going to show you the 20 best WooCommerce WordPress themes you can use. For each theme, we will cover the key features, supported page builders, pros and cons, and which type of store it's best for. Some of these themes are used by millions of websites worldwide, and a few of them are surprisingly powerful enough even in the free version. So make sure you watch until the end because the last few themes are some of the best WooCommerce themes available today. Let's get started. Number 1. Astra. The first theme is on our list is Astra. Astra is one of the most popular WordPress themes in the world, used by millions of websites. The main reason for people love Astra is its speed and flexibility. It's extremely lightweight, which means your website loads very fast, something that is very important for e-commerce stores. The key features are Astra includes pre-built WooCommerce starter templates, fast loading performance, custom header and footer builder, multiple layout options, and SEO optimized structure. The supported page builders are Astra works perfectly with Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg, and Breezy. The pros of Astra, the biggest advantages are it's extremely fast, it's beginner friendly, and it has massive library for starter templates. But the cons, the only downside that the many advanced features are available only in pro version, but even the free version is powerful enough to build professional store. Next is Storefront. Storefront actually the official WooCommerce theme created by the WooCommerce development team. That means it integrates perfectly with WooCommerce without compatibility issues. The key features, some important features include clean and minimal design, built-in WooCommerce layout, mobile responsive design, reliable performance. Storefront works with Gutenberg and Elementor. The pros, the biggest advantage is stability and compatibility with WooCommerce, and the cons, however, the design is quite basic compared to modern themes. So many people customize it using page builders. Number 3, OceanWP. The third theme is OceanWP. OceanWP is highly customizable theme designed for many types of websites, including e-commerce stores. Features, OceanWP includes WooCommerce customization option, pop-up login system, sticky add-on cart button, product quick view. It supports Elementor, Beaver Builder, Breezy, and Gutenberg. Pros, the theme is extremely flexible and customizable. It also includes many WooCommerce specific features. Cons, but beginners may find the number of settings slightly overwhelming. Number 4, Kadence. Next we have Kadence. Kadence is becoming increasingly popular because of its modern design and powerful customization options. Key features, Kadence offers drag and drop header builder, advanced typography controls, WooCommerce product gallery features, lightning fast performance. Kadence works best with Gutenberg and Elementor. Pros, very flexible customization, excellent performance. Cons, some advanced starter templates are only available in the pro version, but the free version is still very powerful. Number 5, Neve. The next theme is Neve. Neve is known for its mobile-first design and fast performance. Features, Neve includes AMP compatibility, lightweight code, starter site templates, WooCommerce integration. The page builders, Neve supports Elementor, Gutenberg, Breezy, and Beaver Builder. Pros, very fast loading, easy to set up. Cons, the free version has fewer templates. Number 6, Blocksy. Another excellent free WooCommerce theme is Blocksy. Blocksy is built with modern technologies and offers impressive customization options. Key features include real-time customization, advanced header builder, product quick view, and multiple shop layouts. Supported builders include Gutenberg, Elementor, Breezy. Pros are modern design, great performance. Cons, Some advanced features require the Pro version. Number 7. Botiga. Next, we have Botiga. Botiga is specially designed for WooCommerce stores and offers a clean shopping experience. Features include product gallery styles, wishlist support, Ajax product search, clean product grid layout. Botiga supports Elementor and Gutenberg. Pros: simple and clean design, beginner friendly. Cons: limited customization compared to bigger themes. Number 8. GeneratePress. GeneratePress is another extremely lightweight WordPress theme. It focuses on performance, stability, and clean coding. Features include lightweight framework, mobile responsive layout, WooCommerce compatibility. Page builders. Supported builders include Elementor, Beaver Builder, Gutenberg. Pros: very fast performance, excellent SEO structure. Cons: design customization is limited in the free version. Number 9. Sydney. Next, Sydney. Sydney is a powerful theme often used for business websites and online stores. Sydney includes Elementor blocks, parallax backgrounds, WooCommerce compatibility. Supported builders are Elementor and Gutenberg. Pros: great for branding and business stores. Cons: limited WooCommerce customization. Number 10. Woostify. Woostify is a theme built specifically for WooCommerce. It focuses heavily on improving shopping experience. Woostify offers product quick view, Ajax search, wishlist support, sticky add to cart. Supported builders include Elementor, Gutenberg, and Beaver Builder. Pros: excellent WooCommerce features, lightweight design. Cons: many advanced features are pro only. Number 11. Hello Elementor. Hello Elementor is a minimal theme created by Elementor developers. Features are ultra lightweight design, perfect Elementor compatibility, and clean framework. Page Builder supports Elementor only. Pros: extremely fast, best theme for Elementor users. Cons: requires Elementor to design the website. Number 12. Zakra. Zakra is a multi-purpose WordPress theme with WooCommerce support. Features multiple starter demos, custom widgets, and WooCommerce integration. Page builders are Elementor and Gutenberg. Pros: easy to customize, and cons: limited free demos. Number 13. Spacious. Spacious is a simple and elegant WooCommerce theme. The features are multiple layouts, responsive design, and WooCommerce ready. Supported builders are Elementor, Gutenberg. Pros: simple and beginner friendly. Cons: design feels slightly outdated. Number 14. Phlox. Phlox is a creative WordPress theme with many templates. Features 80 plus demo templates, WooCommerce shop layouts, and advanced widgets. Page builders are Elementor supportive. Pros: beautiful designs. Cons: slightly heavier than other themes. Number 15. Rife. Rife is a creative theme suitable for portfolio and product showcase stores. Features include gallery layouts, product showcase design, customizable headers. Supported builders are Elementor and Gutenberg. Pros include creative layout options. Cons are settings may feel complex. Number 16. Sparkling. Sparkling is a modern responsive theme built with Bootstrap. Features include mobile responsive, SEO optimized, and clean layout. Supportive page builders are Elementor and Gutenberg. Pros: simple and lightweight. Cons: limited WooCommerce features. So if you are not sure which theme to choose, here are my recommendations. Best for speed, Astra. Best for Elementor users, Hello Elementor. Best for customization, Kadence. Best official WooCommerce theme, Storefront. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress tutorials, and comment below which theme you are planning to use for your WooCommerce store. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.